Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.07% in most recent 60-minute. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo explicitly has an all-out market cap of $1,074,352,039 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,435,752, which for the most part shows that starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Algorand explicitly is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.07% in most recent 60-minute, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This generally makes Algorand beautiful positioning at 42 in the digital money market in a for the most part huge manner. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand most certainly be especially worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Is Algorand in every practical sense wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they most certainly thought? Will Algo cost basically outperform its untouched high, which for the most part is very critical? These in a real sense are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Algo value sort of is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of 19 cents. The normal especially least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be 18 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Besides, Algo can fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest value level of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Algorand cost really is estimate to fundamentally arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of 14 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Algo cost could generally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of 16 cents with the typical expected cost around 15 cents in a quite enormous manner. Algo value estimate July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Algorand certainly is supposed to especially arrive at a very least value worth of 15 cents, showing how generally is Algorand a very wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they certainly thought. The Algo cost could basically arrive at a very most extreme cost of 17 cents with the genuinely normal cost around 16 cents, exhibiting the Algorand value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, Algorand cost basically is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a very the least cost of 14 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Algorand in every way that really mattered is by and large anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of 16 cents, while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of 17 cents and at least 16 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand explicitly is supposed to especially be at around a very least of 16 cents, which is very critical. Algorand cost can arrive at a for the most part limit of 18 cents with the kind of typical cost of 17 cents in USD, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to especially arrive at a really normal cost of 17 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 19 cents and a kind of least of 17 cents in a kind of significant manner. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand fundamentally is generally anticipated to essentially reach at a truly least worth of 17 cents in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 20 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 18 cents all through 2023, showing how on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023. What will Algorand generally be genuinely worth in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Algorand value figure December 2023. The Algorand cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at an especially least worth of 18 cents, while the in every practical sense most extreme determined cost all things considered is around 20 cents in an unobtrusive way. The truly normal cost for Algo in every practical sense is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach 19 cents in December 2023, which explicitly is very critical. Algorand pretty past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been diminished by 0.36% in its ongoing worth, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we by and large look at the very current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand most certainly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins. So Algorand cost can truly arrive at a by and large limit of 18 cents with the typical cost of 17 cents in USD, which really is very huge. The ALGO essentially is down to nearly 1.26% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which really demonstrates the way that Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at and in every way that really matters. Limit of 18 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 17 cents in USD, or so they essentially thought. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't essentially believe that it would a beneficial resource and genuinely transient in an extremely enormous manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of a LGO really diminished by 37.026%, dispensing with an incredible truly normal amount of 8 cents from its ongoing worth, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very decent fundamentally purchase and open door for certainly speedy speculation, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023. What will Algorand essentially be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they by and large thought. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 39.32%, and the cost especially flowed from a fundamentally least extremely normal cost of 23 cents to pretty greatest kind of normal cost of 25 cents, but truly beyond 90 days, showing how Algorand in a real sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins. So Algorand cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of 18 cents with the very normal cost of 17 cents in USD, which basically is genuinely huge. Algorand basically is somewhere near 20.69% with the exceptionally greatest truly normal cost of the coin really was around 17 cents and the kind of least certainly normal cost of generally was around 16 cents, essentially beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Algorand Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Algorand extremely worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ALGO cost fundamentally is estimated to arrive at a most extreme degree of 20 cents with genuinely least cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023. So especially is Algorand a very wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Does Algorand explicitly have a future in a quite huge manner? As far as value, Algorand generally has an exceptional extremely potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, which basically is very critical. It in every practical sense is gauged that a LGO will increment in esteem in an especially enormous way, as per by and large unambiguous specialists and business experts. Algorand can really stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $6.10 till 2030, which truly shows that it generally is figured that a LGO will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Is Algorand really worth purchasing in 2023, which all things considered, is very huge? Algorand's worth certainly is supposed to especially keep on extending, as lack